Tired of the green, green and green? Let's talk about the planet's original hue. In a world of gas guzzling vehicles, where do you turn? Petrol and diesel both are pricey. Electric vehicles are a hefty investment. Now here's something which could be the best of both worlds. Introducing the Tata Nexon iCNG. The Nexon does get the same looks from the outside. Let's go in, take a ride and see how it drives. Hi, welcome to redefine.com. I am Rajesh Karkera. This is the Nexon iCNG. I have never been gung-ho about driving CNG cars. They lack power, it's only to save money, and then you stand in long queues. What intrigued me with the Nexon iCNG is that this is the first engine in the world, the first CNG engine in the world which has a turbocharger in it. So this is the 1.2 Revotron turbocharged engine CNG. I am excited to drive it. Let's take a look. You have a 10.25 inch MID system here. This is completely digital. You have a 10.25 inch display here. It's called the floating infotainment system. It comes with Android Auto and CarPlay. Everything else that the Nexon normally has. It is filled with features, yes, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, panoramic sunroof here as well. I have suddenly become a fan of this digital steering wheel. The 360-degree camera is quite interesting. It's really very clear. So you see this red line here, that's the number plate. So you actually can see the front edge of the front bumper here in the front camera, which is excellent for you to judge distances, you know. Driving the new i-CNG Nexon is a pleasure. It is smooth. It feels so refined. I'm actually enjoying it better than the petrol engine. The i-CNG Nexon gets the very comfortable seats. They're nicely cushioned. You literally sink in. And you have these small garnishes which really look very good. This is one CNG that is fun to drive. I've been driving the Nexon iCNG for quite some time now, and I've been trying to find faults in it. I really can't. If I were to nitpick, I would say I needed a vanity mirror here. Why don't manufacturers give a mirror on the driver's side? The black interiors does give a very good premium look to it. And even the base version of the Nexon iCNG is full of safety features. You get 6 airbags, you get ESP, you get this digital steering wheel. The best part is the drive feel. You do not feel like you're driving a CNG engine at all. The Nexon has good design. It is aerodynamic. It's got good ground clearance. It is meant for Indian roads. And this is one CNG where the boot gives you a lot of space. space is something that Tatas have always managed to give all its customers. The Nexon also offers wireless charging for your phones. The 360-degree camera is amazing to use. So basically it is packed with usable practical features. The only complaint I have is the NVH levels. They could have been better. Now here's a fun thing. You have all the vehicle information and all, and your navigation, your whole MID cluster can become a map. There. So I don't have to keep looking on the center here. This is fine. This full digital 10.2 touchscreen is all I need for directions. I never liked CNG vehicles. They are not a driver's car at all. But this Nexon iCNG with the turbocharged 1.2 liter Revotron engine is fantastic to drive. It's a CNG engine that drives like a petrol engine. And yes, you will get a good mileage on this. Tata claims 24 kilometers per kg of CNG, and I'm sure you will get up to 20 easily. Only downside I see is there's no automatic transmission in this. Coming down to the conclusion, if you're looking for a fuel efficient CNG vehicle in which you can pack your family and go on long drives with a lot of luggage, the Tata Nexon it is. With its high ground clearance, it's just one wonderful car. And the peppy Revotron engine just makes the drive so much more easier. Fantastic. Tatas have done a good job on this engine. A very good job.